Okay, in this video I'm going to talk to you about antiseptics, and I'm also going to talk to you about antibiotics and the simple differences between them. So antiseptics are used outside the body, and antibiotics are used inside the body. So that's one of the distinct differences, and I'll come to talk about this one in a second. And essentially, antiseptics are used to stop the spread, can't spell, spread of infection. So they will kill bacteria. So you might use them to clean up a wound, or you might use them as like a surface cleaner in your house. And they're not used to treat a wound or illness, but they're used to really kill it and stop it from spreading. Now, antibiotics are different. And there's two types of antibiotics. There are antibacterials, or antibacterial antibiotics, and there's also antifungals. Now, you can probably guess which ones these treat. So antibacterials will treat a bacterial infection, and antifungals will treat a fungal infection. Now, something that's really important about antibiotics, and I'm going to do this in a different colour to make it really obvious, they do not treat viral infections. Okay, and the way that they work is very, very similar. They will basically, antibacterials, I'm going to do this in another colour to make it obvious, they will stop bacteria from growing. Something that's really important about antibiotics is what they can do is they can develop resistance. And I'm going to talk about bacterial resistance in another video, but that's a really important thing about overuse of antibiotics, is they can develop resistance. And let's just go back to finishing off talking about antifungals. Antifungals will basically kill the fungus and also try and stop it from growing. So, remember, these are like your surface sprays that you use to try and stop the spread of infection, and then antibiotics are used inside the body, and they will treat bacterial or fungal infections, and they do that by trying to stop bacteria from growing and kill fungus and stop it from growing.